I'm sure you've seen it. Your HP printer says it's offline. Super annoying, right? Let's get it working together. First, check if your printer is turned on and has paper. Sounds simple, but it solves a lot of problems. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is working. Try loading a website on your phone or computer. If Wi-Fi is fine, move on. Now, restart your printer. Just turn it off, wait 10 seconds, and turn it back on. This refreshes the connection. Still offline? On your computer, open the control panel. Click on Devices and Printers. Find your HP printer. Right-click and set it as the default printer. This tells your computer which printer to use. If it still doesn't work, click See what's printing. If there are jobs stuck in the queue, right-click and select Cancel all documents. Sometimes, a stuck print job keeps your printer offline. Last step, run HP's Print and Scan Doctor. Download it from HP's website. Follow the steps to fix any wireless issues. That's it. Your printer should be back online. If not, check HP's support site for more help. Thanks for watching. Now, go print that document.